It's your boy Darius D, and you're watching Suave Kid TV. Hope you guys are doing well. Hopefully, all is well with you. So, we got a different type of video today, a special one. I will be selling all the items that you guys see, and it will be on my Depop and it will be on my Grailed. I will link it down in the description below if you're interested in purchasing any of these products. So what I want you guys to do is make sure you comment down below what is your favorite item that you would like to cop or that you wish you would have. All right. And if you guys want to help your boy DD out, make sure you subscribe, make sure you smash that like button and hit that bell as well, because it shows DD that you in fact care about the channel. All right. So we're gonna get right into this box. But before I get into the box, what I want to say is a very special shout out to New Finds 905 for hooking me up with all this product. The shirt or this jacket, this Marlins jacket that you guys are seeing me wear now, I got it from them. So I'd say that they know how the vintage world works and they know drip. So if you want drip, hit their IG. I will put it in the description down below as well. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So the first shirt we have for the small folks up in here. All right, so we got a Notre Dame shirt. Y'all ever watched the movie Rudy? You would know about Notre Dame. It's a different type of vibe. It's talking about the football team and the BCS championship. So I'll definitely say that if you're an extra small, or an XL youth, definitely look at this shirt. Look for this shirt. Another one for the small people. All right, we got this Undertaker shirt, man. XL youth, I would say if you're in double X small or XL or no, XS, which is extra small, I would say that this should work for you. The fade on it is perfect. This is WWE, so this is not WWF. So this would have been around the mid 2000s when this shirt came out. And I would say to you guys, the materials on this is on point, and as well as the graphic, minimal cracking, next to none. There's very small. And I would say, yo, if you're interested, hit me up down below. Okay, so you all know that NASCAR is in style right now. You've seen me on the channel multiple times wearing a NASCAR jacket, and I want to get more later down the line, and I need a NASCAR t-shirt, but I got one for y'all. So this one is a size large. It is Casey Kane. All right, so we got the graphic on the front, then we have the nice graphic on the back right here. Trust me, you guys will be looking clean in this. This is a size large, and I would say it fits like a medium large. So if you're in between those two sizes, this would be the shirt for you if you're into NASCAR. Even if you're not, I think it's a pretty cool looking shirt. All right, so we already know it's almost March Madness, and I'm not talking about future. Yo, listen, we got Final Four Phoenix t-shirt. Here we go, and very clean, size extra large. I would say it fits like a large, extra large. I did all the measurements for all the shirts that you're about to see, that you have seen, and it's in the description of each item on Depop and on Grailed as well. So don't worry, mind you that it is approximate, so it also depends. So you have to do the measurements on your own end and how you like your shirts to fit. But this is from 2017. March Madness and Phoenix Final Four. And comment down below if you're into college basketball, what are some teams that you think are going to make it to the Final Four? I still got your classic Kentucky and UNC's, but my team that I'm rooting for is LSU. Shout out Sharif O'Neal, Shaq's son. Converse used to rock Chucks when I was a kid, and you already know the saying goes, you can't choke the Chucks. It has to be loose. But we got a Converse Chuck t-shirt. This is size extra large. I would say it actually fits true to size. And also, if you want an oversized look and you're a large, I would say you can cop it up as well. Mind you that the collar is a thicker collar, so it's like one of the old school type of collars. And I would say that the wash on this, I know it's looking lighter. It's more muted, but it's a nice color, and you can work a lot with this. You can work with this in your wardrobe if you don't have a lot of color. Definitely, I would say this is a rare color that most people don't normally wear, but I would say that you guys should check this out. So this one is crazy, and if I was this size, I would definitely cop it. This is an all over print. Never been to Vermont before in my life. Would like to one day, hopefully when the restrictions lift. But hey, we got a Killington Vermont tee. This is all over, and like, if y'all think it looks good on cam, it looks way better in person. Like, the minor details on this shirt is ridiculous, redonkulous. So trust me, y'all, this is a size large. I would say it fits like a medium large, just to stay on the safer side. But honestly, y'all, like, even as just a collecting piece, if you're into collecting vintage tees that are not in your size, I would say this is definitely one that I would cop for my personal, you feel me? Last but not least, the Dundada, the GOAT, MJ, Michael Jordan, not talking Jackson. Let's go. So we got the 2-3 on the back. I know it's backwards for y'all, but this is based off the Jordan 17 shoe. Dead stock, double XL. So all the big homies like me, yo, this is for you. Dead stock. You can even look at the tag right here. Blam. Bam, 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 bam. So we have that in the cut for you guys. And honestly, I would have kept it for myself, but it would be doing me a disservice. And it would be doing you a disservice, because I want you guys to look fly too. So trust me, I would definitely say recommend. Even if you don't want to keep it for yourself and you want to flip it too, I would say, yo, this is a good shirt. Like, honestly, dead stock from the mid 2000s, can't go wrong with that. And as you guys can see to the left of me, we got two shoes that I am selling. If you've been around rocking with the channel for a while, you know what this is. John Elliott, X LeBron, collab. One of my favorite shoes in my collection, but I had to let it go. Size 13. I would say for you guys, if you guys are size 13, obviously you take it. The materials on this is pretty crazy. I'm gonna sell it for you to you guys for a decent price. All right, I'm not gonna make you guys break the bank and make your coins fall out, but trust me, I'm gonna give you guys a good deal on these pairs. It's in a good condition. The reason why I'm gonna do that is because the box is kind of damaged. That is DHL's fault, and we have beef. I don't really mess with DHL since 2014. They know why. Y'all don't need to know why unless you want me to tell you. But these shoes right here, clean in the black colorway. I would say that it does fit true to size. The leather does stretch over time. And obviously you guys know who John Elliott is. If you don't, he's a minimalist, fashion designer. And I think he did a good job taking inspiration from the LeBron 8 and recreating it into a lifestyle shoe. They fit pretty well and they're comfortable as well. And they're very stylish and easy to wear. So I'd say if you're interested in that, definitely hit me up. And then last but not least, we got the Super Courts from Adidas. Most of y'all probably don't even know what this is, or you guys see my video before. It's an everyday type of shoe. The leather is soft on this. I think over time it will age perfectly. I know it looks kind of brighter than it actually does in real life, because right now the light's making it look hella bright. But honestly, you guys, this is a clean shoe. I got a lot of compliments wearing this shoe, and I'll say to you guys that it has like a sleek dad vibe to it. So it doesn't look, if you are still worried about the dad, grandpa looking shoes and you're not too comfortable, I think this is a good balance for it. And it's the Adidas Basketball Super Court RX. And I would say because it's all cream, you already know, like cream and all those like earth tones and fall tone type colorways, you already know, like people like that. So definitely check that out. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please leave a like, all right, for your boy DD. I would deeply, deeply appreciate it. And also comment down below some of your favorite items that you would cop yourself or that you would gift to a friend. And with that said, this has been your boy Darius D, yo, and I'm dipping out once again. And so I'm asking you just chill till the next video. Why? Because your boy DD is definitely out of here.